water, hot shower. Hot Atlanta smoking green cauliflower. Tangerine, yeah, I call it sweet and sour. And my lawyer say it's urgent, I'ma call him in an hour.
What is good, y'all? It's your girl Yo-Yo back again with another video, and today I'm basically going to show you guys how to make clear lip gloss. Literally the easiest thing to do in the world. I'm basically just going to show you guys how I make it. Do y'all see these nails? Like, get into these nails. I have such an issue trying to get them done, but whatever. Basically, the ingredients that you need for your lip gloss is literally Versagel. So this one looks pretty empty, but I used about half of it, so this should give me about 10-11 glosses hopefully. If not, I'll use a little bit more for another one because I want a batch of 11. This is literally the TKB Trading Lip Gloss Versagel. I'm going to be using organic MCT oil. This is basically just coconut oil, and then I'm going to be using my sweet almond oil. These both are like very moisturizing. It helps with like getting rid of fine lines and wrinkles on your lips and moisturizing and all of that stuff. You guys can use any type of oils you like. Grapeseed oil, avocado oil, hemp oil, but I only use that for one type lip gloss, and it's a very glossy Bubble G lip glosses that are going to be available on my site as well. I'm going to use some bowls to mix them in, some pipettes, you need a syringe, bowls, mixing spoons, and then gloves. Let's get right into the video. So I'm going to start off by getting my gloves. I hope I don't break them with these nails because these nails is type long and they sharp. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get 2 bowls because I feel like one bowl is very thin. Some people just squeeze it right in, but I like to measure out how much of oil I'm putting into my mixtures. So now basically I got my bowls, I got my Versagel, and I'm just gonna squeeze out as much as I can. So now I'm gonna get my oils. I don't expect to need too much oils because this is not even gonna give me, it's probably gonna give me like 5 lip glosses or something. So you see the consistency is still like really thick. So I just add in counts of like 2. Basically from here, all you're gonna do is add in oils until you get the right consistency that you want. This is a clear, completely clear gloss. It's literally only gonna have those 2 oils that don't give it any type of tint. It's gonna have no flavoring whatsoever, no glitters, none of that. Everybody's consistency is different, so I never like to tell you guys exactly how much to put in it. What I did when I first started making my lip glosses was like test it out. So I would take a little bit on the side with a pipette, put it on my arm, not put the pipette back in, but just to see the consistency on your arm, or if you want to try it on your lip. You really just need to learn what is the texture that works best for you. And that's literally it, y'all. I'm about to add more Versagel because I want to get a good batch. I'm gonna add another half of a bag. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna use all of those, but we'll see what happens. Okay. so I don't make a mess. I almost forgot. The tighter you get that bitch in, the better. Okay. And that's what this looks like all filled up.